Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and we are going to talk about this Irish Skean, Skean Fada, long Skean, long knife. Put the scabbard down for a moment, just going to pop it down, and talk about the knife itself. Very characteristically broad blade, broad back, long blade. These were big knives, big knives. Done a whole video all about them where I go into much more detail, so that you can find that on my main workshop channel. But really what we've got here is a wasted grip, very distinctive. Everything about this knife is distinctive, and wasted again in that orientation. And the long skeins all seem to have, as far as we can tell from a small sample size, the same decoration. It's this spiral twist carved deeply into the wood going around, a little bit of banded decoration top and bottom, and then these metal rings. Metal rings are very unusual, but that creates fantastic support for the bottom of the blade into the handle there, so that makes it nice and tough. The top one, again, I suppose it holds the whole handle together, but it's secured by these wedges on the back. It's hammered in almost like hammer wedges, basically. And quite why they put the knife together like that, I have no idea. But it makes for another very distinctive aspect to this knife. So the broad blade, the thick blade, the long blade, these metal rings top and bottom, this curled decoration deeply carved into the wood on the handle, just make this all Irish Skean. So a lot of the information came from a book by Robert Gresh, and that deals with skeins of the 16th and 17th century. But they were certainly around in the 15th century as well. But intriguingly, it might not even just be the Irish who were into these, because there is a 1526 listing from Bristol Docks where they're importing Irish knives into England. So there's got to be the possibility that the knives that they were importing were Irish Skean like these. Now let's have a look at the scabbard. So this also comes up, long way up the handle there, gives good protection, good security to the blade. All very normal. Nice bit of decoration here, incised in, and then this very unusual shape on the bottom. And it's made of twisted copper wire. And again, from the illustrations, there's not very much. Written descriptions, little notations of finds. It seems that they may well have had this twisted wire shape, which is, a peculiar way of doing it. But again, it's interesting. It's really distinctive. So overall, what you end up with the Irish Skean is a very Irish and very distinctive fighting knife. Really substantial, really means business, really looks very cool indeed.